Let us continue about discussing Zaggle. Hare Krishna. Hi, welcome to Money School. I am Srinivas. Subscribe to this channel to get updates. India growth story is possible with new companies being set up or existing companies expand their operations. All companies, big or small, need software to manage employee expenses, manage vendors, manage channel partners, etc. India is at the vanguard of fintech and digital revolution with tailwinds driving the digital payment industry. Zaggle is into this space. As a common man, you might have observed how India's digital economy is growing. Today, even footpath vendors accept digital money through Paytm, GPay, etc. The increasing digital adoption, ever improving digital infrastructure, and proactive regulations to create a lasting and sustainable ecosystem, fintech is at inflection point. The increased digitization trend and automated workflows are expected to be key drivers for this market. While there are companies which have only expense management or only vendor management software, Zaggle provides a single platform which has multiple products like expense management, vendor management, and channel partner management. Their uniquely positioned spend management business offers well diversified fintech products and services. Spend management software is essential for business, irrespective of the industry and size. They have issued more than 50 million prepaid cards, issued in partnership with banking partners, and more than 2.27 million users served as of March 31st, 2023. They have partnered with banks, which enhance their access to large corporate clientele, elevating the reach and influence within the industry. What is the benefit to the corporates in using Zaggle software? Why customers want to choose Zaggle? What are the advantages of Zaggle credit card versus any other card? Are there any benefits? Let us check out. Zaggle is tightly integrated with most of the ERP products like SAP. With Zaggle card, corporates are able to get data for each project, cost based on the geographies, how much is spent on travel, how much is spent on client entertainment, etc. With Zaggle, they can limit the travel expenditure for the project to say X crores. That is not possible if the employees are using their personal card. Now let us try to understand how Zaggle generates revenues. Revenue mainly comes from program fee, which consists of all the income that they generate from all transactions that happen through Zaggle cards. This includes what they earn as interchange and any incentives from the networks. Nearly 44% of their total revenue comes from the program fees, which includes interchange fee that they earn on every transaction executed using credit cards across three products. Next is software fees. Software fees are SaaS fees, which is levied to the corporate customers for using their software. So basically, they get their revenue from companies which use their software. They get commissions from banks and merchants also. On the software, they earn per user, per month fees as well as per invoice fee for the platform. And on the card, they earn interchange. When the vouchers are given to the employees, they earn commissions from merchants. So let us say a shopper stop voucher is given to an employee because he has chosen to redeem for shopper stop vouchers. They have a healthy take rate of about 10 to 15%. And also cross selling opportunities generate around 15% of the revenue. Cross selling means where one solution is already present in that particular company, they try to cross sell or upsell one more business solution to that customer. This creates an entry barrier for other companies to enter. Now let us look at the churn rate and the risks involved in this business. Customer churn rate, which is currently less than 2%. Their products have features such as configurable platform for each corporate customer, allowing for partner onboarding and automated workflows to track spends and reconciliation. Thus, they are able to ensure a healthy and consistent customer retention rate. Now let's go to risks. The main and very important risk is regulatory changes by RBI will have an impact on business. Number two is Zaggle is in business where to acquire clients and generate revenue, they have to spend on incentives to customers, that is, customer acquisition charges. The money spent on incentives to acquire clients is huge. In the last 3 years, they have spent around 100 crores to acquire clients, that is, to make employees of the corporates to use Zaggle cards. They had raised around 300 crores in IPO to acquire customers. Currently, their revenue from card usage, commissions from the banks and networks, that is Visa, Rupee, etc., and merchant commissions are more compared to SaaS as a fee. They should work towards increasing SaaS fee as incentives, that is money spent on users to use Zaggle card, is huge. In this business, I am assuming there will be always incentives to be paid to retain clients. Now let us see who are the customers and who are the competitors. Customers are Tata Steel, Persistent Systems, Inox, Wakard, Mazda, Hiranandani Group, and Greenply Industries. Competitors include SAP Concur, Flex Finance, OC Tanner, Vex Fuel Cards and Fleet Card, which is into fuel cards and fleet, Zoho Expense Management Solutions. Others include Happy and Expensify. Concur was sold to SAP Labs for 8.3 billion. Happy was acquired by Cred in December 2021 in a mix of cash and equity deal worth around $180 million, that is 1,400 crores. Before the acquisition, Happy reported rupees 48 crore in revenue. Let us discuss about management, recent developments, and at last financial analysis in part 3.